Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm using my Canon ZR200 mini DV camcorder. We had yet another snowstorm. Still not a ton of snow. I wonder if that weather station is going to survive the winter. This weather station here has snow on top of it. So today I installed a FireWire PCI card to my old Dell Dimension 3000 PC, and I think I'll be using that now to to get my videos off of this camera. Now that I don't have to use analog AV to USB, which it converts digital to analog and then back to digital, which messes up the quality. Yeah. And this might have better quality than my Sony DCR DVD 101. And my Sony DCR SR68. So maybe if I'm recording a storm in standard definition, I might use this camcorder. So now that I have a FireWire port on my PC, I can use that now for direct digital transfer without quality loss. Oh, by the way, did I mention the date? Today is January 17th, 2025. No, not 2025. 2026. It's, for some reason, the sky is darker over here, and it's turning blue a bit. Not because, I think not because of the the weather, but I think there might be snow. Or there's actually like rain showers around us, or snow showers, but they're very light. Like, this is what it looks like on radar. I don't want to be out here for too long. I don't want my camcorder to get frozen, and I don't want to go back inside where it's warmer and create moisture. But I'm going to be using the FireWire port now for this camera, so when I upload videos, it should look like how it should, instead of pixelated. Now I will be using the FireWire, and the file will be stored on that old computer. I'm gonna have to get it off the old computer onto a like maybe an SD card or something, or a USB drive, so that I can upload it from my modern computer, because I obviously don't have internet on that computer, and plus, if I did, that would pose a security risk. So yeah, but just know that when I have this camera now, there will be better quality. Like I said, it kind of looks blue over there. Does this have steady shot? I don't know if this has steady shot. I know my DCR DVD 101 does. Right now, this is obviously not steady shot. I have some snow on the pool there. Yeah, we did get more snow. There's quite some snow here. Pretty nice. But it's only about an inch. It's not a whole lot of snow. It's only like an inch. I think we're talking about another inch of snow tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, especially, it's supposed to snow again. So we might even see more. But the weather models are showing different times of when it's going to snow tomorrow and different intensity, because it's really hard to predict snowstorm tracks. It's easier to predict like squall lines or severe weather events. It's hard to predict storm tracks and snowstorms. Some like cloud color over there. Yeah, hopefully my weather station doesn't get frozen. I think that's gonna be it for this video. I don't really have anything else to record. I'm gonna go see if I can use the FireWire for this camcorder. Now, actually, how I installed it is I have another PC, or we have another old PC, which is a Dell Dimension 9150, and that already had a FireWire PCI card pre-installed. So what I did is I took that one out and installed it to my Dimension 3000, because well, both PCs work. I just can't get into the Dimension 9150 because I don't know the password for it. Alright, I think this is going to be it for this video, and I shall see you all later.